Yo, what's up, boys? It's me again, Zoran Trades, and I'm just gonna be posting my trade recap for the day. I got a bit caught up, so I wasn't able to post my trade recap for Thursday and Friday, so this is my trade recap for Thursday. And yeah, so this is a setup that I'm not very proud of taking, can't lie. This is one of those I'm just gonna have to come back to this and remind myself not to take these. Not necessarily because the confluences were bad, but I'm not really looking to be taking these minor setups, like I didn't except okay, now looking back at it, I mean we did have this FOMC low here that we put in obviously during the FOMC minutes, but the bias that I had was that we pulled back into this 15-minute fair value gap over here, and then upon pulling back into that 15-minute fair value gap right there, we inversed a 3-minute fair value gap. And okay, it's looking back, I mean the setup wasn't terrible. Like here we had this 3-minute inverse fair value gap, and I'm sure I could have given it a candle. Just take a look. Yeah, I could have literally just, this was the candle that closed us below. I could have literally given it 1 or 2 candles and would have probably seen that we're reacting to something down here, maybe this order block and pushing higher. But I did enter quite early, pretty sure I entered about here. And then my break even was down here. This was my break-even point, and then obviously my first take profit was a 1-to-1, and I think I was just gonna hold the extended TPs down to the FOMC data lows down here. So let me just mark this out for anybody who's following along here. That was my final draw on liquidity, the FOMC lows, and we obviously didn't go out to take those. So yeah, and then I had this 3-minute. And this was a 15-minute FVG. I was going to stop there on the protected high. And yeah, that was the trade that I took on Thursday. Lost 0.6% on my evaluation account, and yeah, I'm pretty sure there was a trade prior to this that I did take, like a quick one somewhere here, but I just closed the break even relatively quickly because I wasn't confident in it at all. But yeah, this was the trade that I took on Thursday, and yeah, boys, see you guys in the next one. Hope for anybody who's following along and actually watching these every day, this was helpful, because I am going back to show the trades that I took for that purpose. So yeah, boys, that being said, much love.